Infamous Joel here, and welcome to this section where we're going to go over short form content. I'm really excited about this part. This is a new addition to the program. If you've been in the program for a while, at the time of this recording, you're new anyway, so you don't care, right? You everything's new to you. But for the longest time, I held off on short form content. I didn't really like it, and there are a few reasons for that. But we're going to go over some of the pros and cons, and we're going to go over why short form content works so well for a new affiliate who doesn't necessarily have an audience yet or doesn't have a lot of clout. This might be you. This is most likely you because, I mean, if you're in this program, about 80% of you are just getting started. Short form content helps to grow your audience super fast compared to the other platforms. I'm an enormous fan of YouTube. To me, it's my favorite traffic source, but I'm not going to lie, and I'm always going to be very blunt. It could take some time to build up a YouTube channel. Could be something you work on in the background, but YouTube does take a while. Facebook is probably my second favorite platform because of the direct relationship and conversation nature of Facebook. So I can go out, make a few posts, mingle with a few people, have some conversations, pick up the phone, do some triage calls, make some sales today. It's very direct and it's very quick. However, because of everything I just said, a lot of times a beginner already has to be really good at copy and marketing, have to be really good at sales. It's almost the equivalent of door-to-door selling. That's how I look at Facebook and Facebook organic and having messenger conversations and things like that. If you hustle, if you have a sales background, or if you don't mind constantly talking to new people and just banging it out, then it could be for you, and it works really well. It's something that I got used to. I know that that's not everybody's cup of tea. And then we have this third option that we're getting into now. This third option, this short form content, it really helps a new affiliate who doesn't have a ton of marketing skills, who doesn't have sales skills and stuff like that. It helps a new affiliate just dip their toe in the water, build an audience very quickly, build a following, build subscribers, and get an email list in place. I'm going to talk more about that in a second, to be able to sell some small things, right, in the beginning, to start getting those wins, to start seeing that, hey, this is real. I'm building a following. I'm getting some sales. I'm getting some commissions, and this is the real deal. We've seen over the time frame that TikTok has grown and exploded, and a lot of the other platforms started copying TikTok's formula of short form content. I've seen people I've never seen in my entire life, and I've been doing affiliate marketing. I've been in this space, the biz op, make money online space, for almost 5 years now, and I've seen people that were at zero, and within a few months they had over 100,000 followers, a big giant email list. Now they have a YouTube channel with 10,000 subscribers because they send all their followers to their YouTube channel. But I've seen people blow up extremely fast. And I'm telling you that I'm not guaranteeing you that that's going to be you, but I am telling you that if you put the time in, if you hustle, I mean, these are simple. They're 15, 30-second videos. You can bang out 2, 3, 4, 5 of them in a single day. It's very easy. And if you do that, if you hustle and put your head down and do this, you will build a following super fast, and you will not be exactly where you are right now in the next 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. You're gonna be somewhere else entirely. You're gonna have thousands of followers and be able to print money from your following very quickly. Okay, so this is a game changer. This is absolutely perfect for those that don't have a ton of marketing skills just yet, or just kind of learning, don't have a ton of sales skills, or don't really want to learn sales, don't really want to get in conversations and call people and stuff like that. It's more of a rocket ship. It's like boom, you grow really fast, and then you're able to build a relationship over time with your audience where they start buying from you. But that time frame is not as long as, say, YouTube. That takes a really long time. Okay, now that being said, let me show you a few things that are more pros about the TikTok strategy. Number one, I do recommend now with Facebook organic. You guys know I've said this before, and if you go to the Facebook organic training and how I break it down, I do not recommend that you have a funnel in place, a website, things like that, when you are doing Facebook organic. Reason for that, it's a distraction. You don't really need it. I went to 10K per month without any kind of sales funnel or anything like that, because really your friends list and just the nature of how Facebook is broken down and things like that, it really becomes your email list. Like you can build a relationship on Facebook. It becomes like a customer management portal. It's, Facebook is just hard to explain, but it's systemized in such a way that if you run a business through your Facebook account, it really makes a lot of sense, and you really don't need the sales funnel. It's just an extra piece that's just in the way. So I don't recommend using it. With YouTube, it could go either way. I could see how if you're posting YouTube videos, you might want a sales funnel to also build out like an email relationship and send out different broadcasts and send out different offers and things like that to your email list. I can see that. But again, YouTube takes so much time that I would much rather have someone that I'm coaching, hey man, put out YouTube videos, build up your YouTube channel before you even ever think about building funnels and doing all this stuff. Because again, it could be distracting. And honestly, if you're focusing on your YouTube channel and putting out videos and whatnot, you can just put your raw affiliate links down in the description underneath each video, and you can still make sales that way. Again, I've done it. There are many affiliate links underneath my videos on my channel that I don't have a funnel for. They just go straight to the offer and I've made sales, okay? So it's not that important. Now, transition into what I'm about to say. With short form content, the relationship that you're building is so quick, 15, 30-second videos, you're going to capture people's attention. They're going to say, hey, this is a cool person. I like this video. And they might follow. But it's such a short-lived relationship that you want to absolutely have a sales funnel in place. In my opinion, I've seen many people do TikTok, YouTube Shorts. They're all the same, okay? I've seen many people do it without a sales funnel, and it's very, very hard. Just because of the nature of the platform, it's hard to build a relationship with people. They might like one or two of your videos, but they don't really know you. They don't really get to know you. And so to have a funnel where you send them to an email list, and now you can email them things like what your story is, right? The expert secrets, expert's journey of like where you were, why you chose to do, I don't know, affiliate marketing or help people with weight loss or whatever it is that you're promoting. And you build that relationship through storytelling. So basically the same kind of post that you would make on Facebook, you would do that on your email list, getting people to know, like, and trust you through your emails. So that way the relationship and the bond with your TikTok, short form content stuff audience is built through your email list. I hope that makes sense, okay? So I do recommend building some kind of a funnel for the short form content strategy. Now that's TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram, Facebook Reels. Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, they're interchangeable, the same company, okay? Now, I'm gonna show you, let me go back to my screen here, screen share, okay? Actually, let me just share the screen. So, as you can see, if I go down here, let me get my little pen. You can see I have 8,182 contacts on my email list. Now, I use GetResponse. You don't have to use this. If you're using System.io, it has its own email system already kind of all in one, which is why I chose to promote System.io inside this program, is because it's simple. It's an all-in-one. You have everything you need, and you can get started with that for free in the Done For You resources section. Okay, so if you're in the classroom, go look over there, hook that up. It's completely free other than the price of the domain that you're going to buy. Okay, but as you can see, 8,182. Now, it is said that your email list, for each content that you have, you should average out at least $1 to $10 per each content, or each contact, I should say. Okay, so every member on your email list, everybody that opts in, gives you their name and email. They represent $1 to $10 each, okay, for your business. Now, that is true, I think, because I average right now anywhere from $50,000 to $100,000 per month. Okay, so if you do the math, I have 8,000 and some change members on my email list. I'm up there in the $5 to $10 per email list contact. Okay, so it is very important to build out your email list and do email marketing and stuff. To me, it just depends on the platform and where you're at in your journey. If you're doing Facebook organic, do it much, much later. Okay, you don't need it in the beginning. If you're doing YouTube organic, do it much, much, much later, you don't need it in the beginning. If you're doing short form content, you should probably set this up from day one. I know it's kind of weird, but it's just the nature of the platform. You want to build a relationship with your email list from day one, short form content, because you're going to be able to grow your audience super fast. So we want to build a relationship with them. Okay. Now we want to go back to, let's see here. We want to go back to this so that you get an overview of how all of this works when you set this up as what I call the cash flow flywheel. Okay. So the cash flow flywheel is the system in which your business looks like, right? Every business is a system. Every single business on planet Earth, from McDonald's to Walmart to the trash collection company to your local paper boy, I don't care what it is, there's a system underneath the hood. So this is the cash flow flywheel. This is the main, most basic, most default, most fundamental system that every affiliate marketer runs on planet Earth, okay? It basically goes like this. I'm not going to walk you through in crazy detail because we've probably already gone through this, but you have your platform, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, right? And now your leads, your prospects, your traffic goes over to your funnel, your opt-in page, where now you collect their email. They're going to go down onto your email list, what you just saw, 8,000 members on mine. And they're going to go over from your opt-in page over to a VSL page. VSL stands for Video Sales Letter, or what we call as affiliates the bridge page. Okay, now a lot of this is in the done for you resources section, where I even give you slides. I give you examples of what a bridge page should look like, or what should be on a bridge page, I should say. I give you the bridge page, okay, and what you should say on there, how to craft the video. In the future, if it's not already there, I might have some videos you can just use for yourself. Okay, and email list goes on and on and on in the background. You're going to send them follow-ups, right? Your main offer again, your main offer again, your main offer again. And if they don't buy after the first 3 or 4 times from those emails, I would start sending value, right? Value to me is like some of your story, or maybe you send them some free training that you did on your TikTok videos or YouTube channel. You want to keep getting them engaged, and maybe you have a supporting offer, some low ticket product you want to follow